Check this out, marinated. Good bloody Midori morning. I need a bit of a sugar hit. Move camp now. We're at Talgomine campground. I'm just doing some bacon and egg McAndy's. Put my muffins in there. You have to butter them, eh? Give them a quick flick around, and then Pippi wants some bacon as well, so awesome. So Pip's hanging out there. I just got the fire going just to keep the sultanas down a little bit. Oh, what a relief, eh? There's still flies there, you'll never get away from that, but there's plenty. There were plenty there at the last camp. So that's the hill, that's a big monolith, and a little signpost there. I'll give you a bit of a sticky beak later. Lou over there. Plenty of wildflowers. I'm going to have me Midori sugar hit and my brekkie, or brunch. I'll come back to you. I'm pretty happy. How easy is that? Yum yum. And Pip's got some bacon. You want some bacon? Oh, yeah. Yum yum. Alright, I'm going to knock this down. Awesome. Oh. Good bloody goon afternoon. Hey Pip, how's it going? Got a fire going. Sultanas. Jeez, I tell you. No, I have to admit, I've been pretty lucky today. Blessed. Don't know what's the right word. There's a few sultanas cruising around. Now those little midgy things are here. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I'm getting dinner going. So I'm going to do a kung po chicken. So I already marinated my chicken in the garlic sauce. Yes, there's a lot of stuff here, but like, I won't use all that. But these are just additions. That's just how I'm keeping them. So mushies, rocket, what are they called? I can't remember. Shoots, peas, onion, bag of rice, an Asian mix, and usual suspects, chili, garlic, oil, pepper. I might throw some corn in there, and there's a can of coconut milk in there. So I'll get that going. I'll chop my onions and I'll start cooking me chook, and I'll just add the rest, and gonna be good to go. I'm so glad. I was gonna stay another night at Lake Campn, but I'm so glad I didn't. There's been flies here today, which is good. I mean, this is the wheat belt, man. That's what flies. They live here, but they've been really good. Well, no, they're still flies. Get out of my face. But yeah, nah, lucky. And I've still got the place to myself. Nice and empty. There are other camps over on the drive-in. Whether people have stopped there, I don't know. But anyway, I'll get dinner going, and I'll show you as I go. Check this out, marinated chicken with the I think it's garlic and something else. Onions. We'll get that to brown and we'll start throwing some other stuff in there. Oop. Oh. Pippi might like a bit of onion, but you're not supposed to eat onion, Pippi. Alright, all good. Well, there you go. The sun's going down. Got me fire going. Just finished my chicken po. Dished up and I'm going to eat that. So, yum, 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 yum. Oh, poo-poo. I'm going to have to get something for her because there's chili and spices and stuff in there, so she won't be able to eat that. She won't be happy because she'll be watching me eating. Put that lid on there. I've got lunch for tomorrow. And I'm going to eat this. Awesome. Bye-bye, son. I reckon this will be me for tonight. I'm going to stay another night. I don't mind it here. It's pretty cool. There's a dunny over there, which is pretty cool too. Hopefully I'll flick the drone up tomorrow. I'll do it in the morning because the wind won't be blowing. Even though it's not blowing down here, I can see that it is up there. So we'll just see how that goes. Little truth is I crashed the drone when I was at Lake Campn, so I'm hoping it's gonna fly properly. I got it caught in a tree and I had to get it out. And as you can imagine, when you got 10 billion flies in your head and you're stressing about an expensive toy, so we'll see how that goes. I didn't want to look at it today. I was going to, but I won't. So tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow's a new day. Hope you've all had a good day and are having a good night. I'll see you in the morning. Sort of show you around camp. I'm just sort of over on the granite sort of face up here just before the hill. He was up there. Pippa, Come on. Another camper over there. Little fireplace here. I don't know if you'd want to swag it on here or not, but plenty of bins everywhere too. It's always good to take your own stuff out. Yeah, I don't have a zoom on this. This is probably the roughest little bit to come in here. Anyone can get through this. Just keep to the left. All good. A few wildflowers around. Looks good. Lots of colour. There is another track that goes wide around and then swings back in through here, but this is the general area. And that's a bit of a reminder. Tin and wood would rip a caravan apart in no time. So that's camp. There's plenty of area around here for a few vans. So even if there was other people like myself here, you can still come in. Here's the loos. Down the garden path of all the colour. Standard drop dunny. Bring your own loo paper. All good, it's not bad. Good bloody morning. So that's it, this is my, what do I call it? I'm leaving. Talgomine, had 2 nights here, it's pretty good. Drop dunny and all that. Still my last minute checks, everything's all packed. My window's holding up, that's pretty cool. So if you're still here watching, cheers for that, and I'll see you on the next one.